It's good, people. It's your boy Trill. Now I do these once a year, maybe two. You know how many shoes I get in that year, but we're doing a shoe reveal. And from those that giving critique on the last few, I appreciate it. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna give you angles, try it on and all that. So I got these for my father. I ain't even heard of this brand until when he gave it to me. Valabasas, I guess is popular right now. But shout out to my OG, shout out to my pops. Size 10 Valabasas. The label look like, what the box look like, you know what I'm saying? Very exclusive with the black, chic label. You know what I'm saying? Size 10. I'll get it going. I'll show everything in the box. Valabasas. Each footprint lies the weight of our choices, the whisper of our intentions, and the echo of the past not taken. Now that's a real statement. Real nice. I like that. So, oh shit. So with that, this here. We got a bag for each shoe. Now that's player. Need that. Each shoe. Cleaning and maintenance. So this gives a whole cleaning and maintenance breakdown. Now mind you, I'm a baby and an apprentice carpenter in my own right. But this is good. Yeah, this is great. Avoid extreme environments. Avoid immersing in water. Cleaning and maintenance. Clean gently with a soft, dry, natural color cloth. Avoid using neutral or aggressive cleaning chemicals. Do not use shoe brush or aggressive scrubbing. Check that out. Screenshot that if you want. Alright. Unboxing. In the white paper. Just says Valabasas. Shoes. Now I don't usually wear shoes like this. When the OG's showing love, so I'm gonna just check it out. To the side for right now. It look like something for real or Migos as well. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I'm grateful and appreciative. So we got the denim. The fat laces. Or it look like some Fat Albert and them will wear. You know what I'm saying? Denim. Detail in the back. Stitching on the top. That's what the sole looks like. Try these babies on. I know you like the color coordination. Cause I got the long little nip, got that Crenshaw blue on, the navy blue. I got navy blue socks on. Got a color cord, as my pop said, and long live pops from Waynesboro. You gotta coordinate, color coordination. You get what I'm saying? Free. First time wearing it, you know. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of like trendy things. Like I said, I'm pretty appreciative. And it's something different. It's something I wouldn't usually do, so I gotta get out of my comfort zone, which I be doing. I'm gonna try it on. Not too bad on the first slip. I might have to double saw these. all the way laced. This one's halfway laced. I think I like it all the way laced up. Yeah, outside in. Cause I don't like tying my shoes. Never been a fan of tying shoes. Used to like, y'all remember the Y laces? the spiral shoes. Alright, so here we go. Let's see, got the V on there. Now I'll take them off and give a closer detail look again. Here we go. I ain't gonna lie, with this fit, it look nice now. I'm new age drug dealer chic, you feel me? Like I said, I might have to double sock them when I wear them, but it's not too bad, it's pretty comfortable. Not a whole lot of arch support, but for a fashion statement and fashion sense, it'll do. Going in the back. One thing I don't like is like the denim is rubbing off, but that's part of it too, so that's cool. It's not too bad on the comfort. Yeah, like I said, only thing that would be different would be double socking. Other than that, it's cool. And it's a winter time, so you know you gotta be wintertime fresh and your wintertime best. Get you at another angle. It's the denim that I'm talking about that's rubbing off, but that's cool and it's natural. I ain't tripping. Definitely look like some cartoony shoes, but I'm cool with it. They're pretty cool. Detail right there. Stitching. Side like that part. You know what I'm saying? Fat laces. Retro vibe. Not too bad, not too shabby. Hey, hey. Walk through. In real time. Life, make it alright.